Lily and I got into some roosters right after we had just walked past a crime scene where there were remnants of a couple of hens. It was strange because I picked up what looked like a small horn. Turned out it was the upper half of a beak. Later back at the club, they said that the guys who hunted there the day before actually saw the coyote. Today I'm going to the store to buy some buckshot. Or slugs. I don't know. Which would you think would be better? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. I missed on these two to start off with, but Lily watched where the second one went down and eventually caught up with it.
Okay. She has another point. Oh, there it is. There's a rooster in there.
Here Lily gets her revenge on that first one. If you take a look at Lily, you can see that
here we go.
She actually has feathers from the first retrieve in her mouth still.
There, he's poking it. All right, we got a point.